Yeah, man. My name is Frick, and today we have some breaking news. Well, it's finally here. After a year of asking for it, the Coconut Castaway from Dr. Squatch is getting a long-awaited flavor expansion. We're talking deodorant and hair kit. Now, the Coconut Castaway Brick is one of the best OGs on the menu, so it's fair to expect these new additions to be nifty as well. With a toasted coconut pina colada type of scent, the deo and hair kit should be a hit this summer. And this summer is your time to nab it, because for some reason this is a limited time offering, according to Squatch, available just for the season. I'm not sure why it's not becoming a staple, perhaps it will be down the line, but I'd nab it while you can, if you're interested. Turning our attention to Sudsy Bear, we also got a new highly anticipated drop today, the Barbershop Brick and Deo. The Barbershop soap is a zero grit bar with nifty ingredients like goat's milk, chamomile powder, and tossa silk. The scent is described as, and I quote, top notes of fresh talcum and smooth old-fashioned shave cream, with middle and bottom notes of crisp bergamot and balsam fir, and notes of vintage bay rum and other complexities. It looks and sounds very promising, and it seems Sudsy took their time perfecting the recipe, so I'm excited to try this one out. There's also, of course, the Deo counterpart, which, if you have yet to try the Sudsy deodorants, I'd highly recommend you do. You can check out my deodorant guide for more info if you have not already, but I'd expect this to be another great addition to the lineup. And that's going to do it today for Frick News. Let me know which of these new products you'll be nabbing. As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man.